Good morning to you, beautiful soul lights. Welcome to my channel. Sensory overwhelm is often caused by an imbalance in the body. When the body no longer regulates equally with yin-yang balance or left and right brain balance or left and right side of our body balance, that is where we feel like one part of us is going on an overdrive. And that brings stress, and stress feeds on the imbalance. So we want to restore balance as much as possible in our body. And one of the best ways to do that is through breath work. Reducing the sensory overwhelm, bringing the attention back to ourselves on which side is a little bit more stressed and which side is a little bit more unawakened. We want both sides to be equally awakened. To start, get yourself a comfortable chair or stool. When I say comfortable, I mean firm surface, not plushy, soft surface chair, because we want our pelvis and our sits bones to be supported, and we want our spine upright when we breathe. So this is a dynamic, active breathing meditation because we're going to have a little bit of movement as well, okay? Okay, one more thing. When I say dynamic, I don't mean fitness. I mean just not static. I think you know what I mean. All right. Now bring your legs together because we want to contain our body. Contain it all in. Then we start. We're going to be using the right hand to close the left nostril this way, okay? And then we're going to be using the left hand to close the right nostril this way. It's very simple breathing. One nostril at a time, alternately. And then I'll show you what next. Closing the left nostril. Inhaling through the right nostril only. And exhaling through the mouth. Just like that. You don't have to try to do it too deep. Just see what unfolds in the body. Again, inhale. One more. Change. Left hand closes the right nostril. Again. Exhaling through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose. Now, I just want you to put your hands on the bridge of the nose. You don't have to press it in. Just kind of like feel like you are using your hands to, your fingertips rather, to direct the breath in both sides equally, centralizing them. 4 inhalation through the nose and 4 exhalation through the mouth. One more, inhale. Exhale through the mouth. And release. How does that feel? Something different? But I hope it's awakening something within you. Pay attention to the thoughts or feelings that may come to you and just observe them. Let's start again, same cycle but on the left nostril. So the right hand closes the right nostril, the left hand closes the right nostril. Breathing in through the left nostril. And go. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. One more. Change. Both hands on the bridge of the nose, same. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Slowly release. Let your arms hang down. Try not to move. Still keeping your legs together. Pelvis nicely on the seat. Spine upright. See how your body feels. Smile to yourself. And we're going to do a transitional move, just a little bit. Have your arms continue to hang by the side. Make sure you feel your pelvis and your sits bones. And let your spine tilt back and forth like that. Front and back, back and forth. Just like that. Do you feel your fingertips tingling? Your arms kind of feel like it's getting longer, hanging off the shoulder joints. And we shall continue. Same breathing way. Yes, same breathing way. But this time, we're going to be turning the body to the side. Let me show you. Right hand closes the left nostril, turn to your right. Stay that way till you finish 4 times, come back. Left hand closes the right nostril, turn to your left. Finish 4 times and come back. And for the one with both hands, we're going to do the same, facing front, but our chest more lifted. So we are at a diagonal up angle, okay? Starting with the right nostril, closing the left. Inhale. Exhale through the mouth. Continue. release, change. I'm not guiding you too much now on the inhalation and exhalation. I trust that your body remembers. Now both hands, fingertips on the bridge of the nose, lifting the chest eye so that your eye line is diagonally up. 4 times you inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Both nostrils breathing in equally. Releasing. Let your arms hang by the side. Take 4 deep breaths now. When I say deep, I mean when you inhale, feel your lungs really expanding. When you exhale, just feel your spine and your chest relaxing down. Inhale through the nose. Expand, exhale through the mouth. Relaxing the spine down. Again, inhale through the nose. Exhale. Feel the rising of your chest here. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Let's accentuate this movement and breath. Inhale, arms up. Exhale through the mouth, relaxing down. Again. Resting your palms on the thighs this time. Feel the containment within. Contained as in you feel everything has come back to you. And with that, you might also feel contentment. Take pleasure in feeling full and balanced. Feeling your mind and your body settle. The sensation you have in the body is balanced. You're not feeling more or less of anything. You just are. One final breath here. I want you to let your arms be loose and just casually turn. Rotate your body from side to side. This is so that we're moving the spine and the pelvis a little bit. And as you turn to the right, you breathe. Coming back, exhale. Turning to the left, you breathe. Coming back, exhale again. Breathing in, out. in and out. Just breathe regularly, casually, normally through the nose. In, out, in, out. Just a few more times. Coming back, sitting upright, feeling your spine and your pelvis, adjusting a little bit if you need to, but still keep your legs in as much as possible, spine upright, feeling the pelvis. If you're asking, why am I not seated on a mat with the cross-leg position? I just feel like that one has too much external rotation of the hips. It doesn't really bring me back to balance. I feel much better doing dynamic, active breathing this way, seated. So let me know how you feel in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. My channel is very new, and if you like my content, please do like and subscribe. And also share it if you feel there's anyone like you who might enjoy it or who might need it. And with that said, thank you so much for moving with me, breathing with me. Thank you so much for tuning in. Keep shining your light, and I'll see you very, very soon in the next video. Take care and have a lovely day. Soul Movements is about how we can use movements to heal our emotional wounds and discover our spiritual depth.